Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, powerful, meaningful story about being consistent. There was a boy named Arpit. Arpit had big dreams. He wanted to speak fluent English. He wanted to become confident. But Arpit had one problem. He was not consistent. One day, he studied for 3 hours. The next day, he did nothing. 1 week, he practiced speaking. The next week, he forgot everything. Because of this, he did not improve. He felt frustrated. One evening, Arpit visited his uncle. His uncle was a farmer. Arpit saw his uncle watering the plants every day. Arpit asked, "Uncle, why do you water the plants daily?" His uncle smiled and said, "Because plants grow slowly. If I water them only once, they will die." He continued, "Growth needs regular care. Not one big effort, but small effort every day." Arpit listened carefully. He understood something important. The next morning, he made a small promise. He would study English for only 30 minutes daily, not 3 hours, not nothing, but 30 minutes every day. Days passed, weeks passed. Slowly, his vocabulary improved. His speaking improved. His confidence improved. Because consistency is stronger than motivation. Even when he felt lazy, he studied a little. Even when he felt tired, he practiced a little. And slowly, his dreams started becoming real. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. You do not need to do big things once. You need to do small things daily. Be consistent. Be patient. Keep going. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep practicing daily. And always remember, consistency creates success.